Spaghetti pomodoro is one of the easiest, cheapest but tastiest tomato-based pasta dishes going, and you desperately need to learn how to cook it. Halve around 500 grams of ripe juicy tomatoes and put them on a baking tray covered in plenty of olive oil, salt and pepper before turning them over, adding a few cloves of garlic and roasting on 180 degrees for about 35 minutes. While that's cooking, dice up a white onion and fry in olive oil until it's soft and starts to brown. Add a generous squeeze of tomato paste and cook it for a few minutes to get rid of that bitter taste. Heavily salt your pasta water and throw that spaghetti in. After 35 minutes, the tomatoes should have really sweetened up. You can use chopped tomatoes if you're a lazy cunt, but you won't get that same rich flavour to the sauce. It's worth the extra effort. Put your onions, roasted garlic and tomatoes with all their gorgeous juices into a blender and pulse until smooth. Add a good handful of basil and give it another blast so the leaves are nicely chopped but not mush. Empty the sauce out into your pan and season again with salt and pepper to bring out all those flavours and simmer for a couple of minutes. Start introducing the spaghetti and mixing it all in. The pasta water will really help emulsify the sauce and make it silky as fuck. Grate about 50 grams of parmesan over the top and mix all that together with a tiny bit more pasta water, then you're done. Serve it with even more parmesan and a big glug of olive oil. I hope you enjoyed your first pasta class. Congratulations, you are now Italian.